So this video will talk about classes in ES6. You can think of a class as a blueprint or a template which you can use to create as many objects you want. In the past, when we were using ES5, we used to take advantage of functions and prototypes to create classes. In this video, we'll create a class using ES5 first, then we'll convert it into a ES6 class. Let's create a function first and give it a name of employee. It will take two parameters, name and age. Then behind the scene, it will create two properties, name and age. So this is a way of creating a class in ES5. Now let's create an object. So it will be var emp new employee. Okay. Just do one thing, create a console log here just to see the output. So it will be name plus colon and age. Okay. Now we need to pass parameters. So pass here marks and 60 as age. Save it, and this is the output. This is basically a class in ES5. If I want to add some function to it, how I will add it? For this, I'll make use of prototypes. So it will be employee dot prototype dot get employee. Okay, this will be a function, and we'll make use of this anonymous function. We want to print these details when we call this function. So just cut this and paste it here. So in this case, it will be this dot name and this dot age. So this is a class and this is a function inside the class. If I want to print the name and age, I have to make use of emp dot get employee function. Okay. Just for the change, make it Adams. Save it, and this will be output. Now it's time to convert this example into ES6 class. So for that, you have to make use of class keyword here. Okay. Now we need a constructor. So it will be like this. This constructor will take two parameters, name and age. Sorry for that, we don't need parentheses here. Now simply cut this and paste it here. So this is a class and this is a constructor. So basically these values are being passed here. Now we need a method, get employee inside it. So it will be like this, get employee. Now simply cut this and paste it here. Now we don't need this. So this is your ES6 class with a method, and this will work exactly the same. Just change it, make it Peter and make it 80, and this is your output. One thing which you have to be careful about, if I'll just move this thing from here to here, I will get error. So you must declare your class first, then you make use of it. Okay. One more thing which I want to tell you about classes is that this constructor function, it is completely optional and it gets executed when you create an object here. So if I'll just simply take this out and just put it inside this function, if I'll take these parameters, keep them inside here and just simply delete this constructor. Okay, let's delete it. Now we don't need to pass any parameters because there is no constructor, but we need to pass parameters here. So let's make it James and age 60. Now save it, and this is your output. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.